friends, today is Thursday, June 13th, 2019, and I have a huge unboxing for you. This is going to be a keyboard, like a MIDI keyboard, and here is the box. So it just came in the mail today. I don't know if I can actually lift up the whole, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to try to keep this from going upside down. I don't think it would really matter, but I just would like to play it safe. So I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing. I probably have it upside down right now, but hey, it's me, you know. You gotta consider the source when it comes to goofy things like that. So I picked this up from GuitarCenter.com. I am not being sponsored. I wish I was. That would be amazing. Guitar Center, if you're watching this video, I'm just kidding. I don't think they know me from Adam, but that's okay. I love Guitar Center, and I love all music shops in general. You know, I might have this upside down, but I'm gonna go ahead and continue opening it anyway, because even if it is, I can always correct it. Okay, so we have a bunch of paper inside the box here. Ah, yeah. So you probably can't really see what I'm doing, but there's a bunch of paper, like a big wad. So there is a box inside a box, and this is the meat and potatoes of the whole package. Oh yeah. Okay. You guys, this is what I got. It's the Arturia Minilab MKII, that is. And I am really excited to get this thing started. I'm going to go ahead and unbox the keyboard itself. I like the box, actually. This is really pretty and very easy to open. Here's the cord that you plug in with your computer if you're going to upload music or use a software that's on your computer. Right now, the only software I have is GarageBand, and I'm not really quite familiar with it, but from what I understand, I think you can use outside instruments such as this keyboard, so I just don't want to drop it. Okay, we also have literature, so I'll go ahead and hang on to that, and I'm going to set the box aside. And it came with the package of do not eat type material. Looks like something else, but I'll leave that to your imagination. Okay, so Arturia Minilab MKII. You guys, this is a very cool looking keyboard. I've seen several videos online on YouTube showing the wooden looking panel, the side panel there, which I think is really nice. This is, it feels like a heavy duty, well-made keyboard. I'm not gonna do a full in-depth review. You guys, if you'd like to see one of those, go ahead and let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to do that for you. Here's the other edge here. We have tape on one of the ivories. I'll go ahead and peel that off. And here is the keyboard itself. This is what it looks like. So you have a bunch of knobs. You've got your, if I can look at it, I'll tell you what exactly we have here. If memory serves, this here is the pitch wheel. This here is the modulation. Programmable knobs up here and down here. Different programmable sound effects, I believe. You can program these according to what you're comfortable with. I'm going to go ahead and check out the keys, and they feel very nice. They feel very well made. They don't have like, I don't think they're gonna get stuck kind of thing. They feel very high quality. That's the word I'm looking for. So again, this video is not being sponsored. I just wanted to go ahead and unbox my brand new MIDI keyboard. I've been waiting literally months for this, you guys. It's been on, it's been hard to get, and I wanted black. It also comes in like white, and I've seen a red one, which I think is pretty cool too, but I wanted black because I'm used to black piano keyboard type things. Anyway, this is really exciting, you guys. I am so excited to start playing with it and learning the ropes and hopefully making music. I don't know. I sometimes like to pretend that I'm a musician, but I have a lot to learn in that regard. So anywho, I thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, suggestions, any of that, feel free to throw them at me in the comments below. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I'd love to have you with me. And if you haven't, please smash that notification bell icon so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you on the flip. Bye-bye.